Welcome. If you can, sit or lie down comfortably now. Close your eyes. Make a small promise to yourself. For the next 5 minutes, you belong only to this breath and this calm. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and gently breathe out through your mouth. Let each exhale be a little softer than the one before. Again, breathe in and out. With every out-breath, imagine tension leaving your body like a soft fog drifting away. Feel your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Allow the muscles around your eyes to loosen. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Slowly scan down like a warm, soothing light traveling through your body. Notice any tightness, any small resistance. Don't judge it, simply observe. As the light moves, it invites each area to relax. Forehead, temples, face, neck. That warm light continues down your shoulders, melting any stiffness. It flows into your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and hands. Your arms feel pleasantly heavy, comfortable, supported. Now, the light moves into your chest. Feel your heartbeat, steady, kind. With each breath, your chest opens a little more. Breathe in calm. Breathe out anything that doesn't serve you. The light travels down your back, releasing small knots of tension. It settles into your belly, your center where you might carry worry. Breathe into that space. On each exhale, let that worry wash away. Let the warmth move into your hips, thighs, knees, and calves. Allow your legs to feel heavy and safe. The light reaches your ankles and feet, releasing the last bits of tightness. Imagine your whole body sinking deeper into relaxation, supported, safe, and still. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of a quiet lake at dusk. The surface is perfectly smooth, a mirror of peace. Each breath creates a tiny ripple, gentle and reassuring. With every ripple, you feel lighter, calmer, more centered. Choose one word that feels like peace to you. Maybe soft, still, or rest. Inhale that word silently. Exhale what you don't need. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Inhale softness. Exhale strain. Repeat this slow rhythm 2 more times. Feel how spacious your body feels now. Notice the silence between your breaths, that calm place where nothing needs to happen. Stay here for a moment. Breathe softly and enjoy this open space. When you're ready, start to bring awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Keep the inner calm like a quiet ember glowing softly inside you. Take one final deep breath in and let it go. If your eyes are closed, softly open them when you feel ready. Carry this relaxed energy with you into the rest of your day. Remember, 5 minutes of presence can reset your whole system. If this practice helped you, please like and subscribe. It supports more calm moments like this. Share it with someone who needs a deep breath. Thank you for giving yourself this time. Be gentle with yourself today. Namaste.